Oh, time for a blinker break. And while we're at it, let me show you how to set this up on your Java server with only 3 command blocks. The first thing you will want to type in chat, and you'll need cheats on, is scoreboard, objectives, add, blinker, timer, dummy. Now, notice how the B is lowercase and the T is capitalized. The next thing you want to do is get your repeating command block. You place it down, set it to unconditional, set it to always active, and then down in the description, I have the first command you'll want to put into this block. Scoreboard, players, add, hashtag timer, blinker timer 1. Click done. Now you want to place a chain command block. And it's important to shift and right click so they're connected and the arrows go into each other. Open it up, unconditional, always active, and then you want to enter this beefy piece of command code, which I'll have in the description as well. Now this will be our title. And one thing I want to point out here at this title is at the very front here, notice the 2400. That means every 2 minutes this command will go off. I want to set it just to 600 for ease here. So we'll set it to 600 and we will click run. Now you want to type another chain command block. You want to set it to conditional. You want to set it to always active. And then you want to set this command into the timer. This will reset the timer to 0 after the blinker timer goes off. So now we have our base set. Okay. The last thing you want to type, and I already have mine turned off actually. There's our blinker break. So it's just active. We know it's working. One thing you need to do though, that I actually already have turned off, is you type game rule, command block output, and it's going to be by default true. It's going to be true, and you're going to see this going off when you first enter in this first command block. You're going to see that chat going off, and it's counting up to 400. But you'll see when it hits 600, our blinker timer is going to go off. All right, so it'll hit 600 right here. Boom, blinker checkpoint, resets to 0, and it goes to that. So you might find a problem here. We're going to do a little troubleshooting now. You might come into a problem where you do all this and it's not working. The reason it's not working is because if you take too long to set up this third block, and let's say your number in here is 600, see how this is 259? Well, let's see what happens when this goes to 200 if we have this at a number lower than what is currently in our tick counting timer. The problem is it'll never register 200, so it'll never reset and the blinker will never go. It's a little bit of a bug with the system. So to fix that, you come in here, you right click that, it opens it up. You can press Control All, it'll pull you to the beginning of the code, and you want to change this number. You can look up a tick to minute conversion ratio online for how Minecraft works to set it to 30 or an hour or 2 hours or whatever you want. But for the sake of this, we're doing 200. But see how our number's at 427? We want to reset that. We want to make it work again. So we set this to 500. We click done, and now when this timer hits 500, boom, blinker breaks. I would almost immediately click. So now we're at 16. So now you go here again, you can do Control All, and maybe you want this to go off every 150, every 200 ticks. So you set 200, you click done, it'll roll, it'll go all the way up to 200. Wait for it, 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 and boom, blinker break again. Obviously, we don't want it resetting all the time though, so now we're going to do game rule, command block output, false. All right, and that's going to stop that, but of course, it's still working, blinker break. I want to have this go for 30 minutes maybe. You do 3600. Run. Now every 30 minutes the blinker break is going to go off. And that is all you need to do to have blinker break set up on your Java Minecraft server. Hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much. It's been fun on TikTok. If you came from TikTok, see you out there. Peace.